This side looks good. Little branch laid down on the roof there. But that... Huh. Okay. That's going to take a few minutes to pull. That snag is so dead. And not a twig came off it. Well, there's no twigs left. It's just chunky bits. Someone was cutting wood. Different video. Well now. That looks amusing. That's got to come out of the way before I can leave the yard. Wah. Now, if I was clever and had a short little sports car, one little branch, and I'd be able to drive under it. But no. Well, there's a reason I parked the car over here. No trees. Work tent. Not in good shape. I mean, it's still there. That's a good thing, but wow. Huh. That's gonna need some cleaning up. Well, power's not coming back because 99% of the county is out of power. I mean, there's 50 people that still have power. I'm guessing it's gonna take about a week to get down to us because we're at the end of the line.